Here's the little Edward VI sixpence I recently found. It's got a little bit of incrustations, or muddiness actually, not incrustations. It needs a bit of a clean basically, and rather than scrub away at it, I had a word with Graham Dempsey from Composite Cleaning Pens, and I've got some of his silver cleaning fluid. So I'm going to try to do a little video that shows how the cleaning fluid works, and all I'm hoping to do really is to leave the nice dark patina on the coin and remove the dried mud that's between the letters and around the side, which you can probably just about make out on the actual coin. So we'll see how it goes. So this is the before. I'll try to do, I don't know if I can, but I'll try to do the video of me actually cleaning it. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to manage that actually, to be fair, because I've only got two hands and I would need four. So this is the coin before. This is Graham's silver cleaning solution. It's what comes in the pack, and basically the instructions come with it. So we will give it a try, see what happens. So the solution goes into the little tub there. Now the instructions are to immerse the coin into the solution, but I only want a very, very slight clean on this. So I've had a word with Graham, and he suggests that the best thing perhaps is to buy some cotton wool balls. So that's what we've got, and to damp these in the solution and then pop it onto the coin and then turn that out like so, and then give it a gentle do it on the white, a gentle dab, and then take your dry cotton wool and just gently give it a roll around with the fingers, see what happens. I'm not putting any pressure hardly at all on the coin, because it does have that crease in it. So let's have a see what we've got. Rub that. Hopefully, what I'm hoping to see when I open these two bits of cotton wool, which is dry cotton wool by the way, the other piece was soaked, I'm hoping to see the dirt transferred from the coin onto the cotton wool. Have a look. Well, there's a little bit on there, not a huge amount. However, on this side, which was the head side, which had the majority of the dirt on it, come across to there, try and focus in, you can clearly see the amount of dirt that's come off that coin. Let's have a look at the head side then, see what it looks like now. And on the table, there we go. So we've got that lovely patina that's on the coin originally, and I can see it's removed some of the soil from around the edge of the coin. The inscription is clearer, but what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to take the cotton buds and I'm going to gently work around the lettering to see if that will help it a little bit more. Let's have a look at this side quickly. There wasn't a great deal on this dirt wise. There's a little bit, so I'll work with it with the cotton buds, and then I'll come back to you. Come on, focus. Jeez. There we go, just about see it. There you can see it's cleaner. It is so much cleaner. And the top of the two cotton buds I'm about to show you was the first clean. That was this one. Now I went around the obverse legend, the reverse legend, with solution on a cotton bud there, and that's the dirt that came off the reverse legend using the cotton bud. Now I'm going to do the same with the obverse, the head side. Enlarge it slightly, but before I do, that is the dirt that's come off the head side and the lettering. So basically it's taken all the cruddy mucky dirt off, it's left the patina, and it would then, if you wanted, I suppose you could polish it up a wee bit. I'm happy with it in the dark. There we go. Just about getting in focus. Sorry it's taken so long, but it's the light. There we go. You can see it. It's so much better. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Now, I'm not getting paid for this blooming silver coin cleaning solution from Graham Dempsey. He just asked me to do it because he liked the look of the coin. I've done it. Results speak for themselves. Thanks, Graham. Lovely product. I was a bit worried about using it, mate, to be honest, but I can't fault it. Look at that, it's lovely. And the reverse is probably even better. Look at that.